Hello everyone, welcome back to Jimove. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how to go viral on YouTube and grow a small channel. We'll also be sharing some tips on how to improve YouTube thumbnails and descriptions. To start off, you are going to want to find a niche and stick to it, then start to create high-quality content. The most important factor in going viral on YouTube is creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. This can be a video tutorial, a funny skit, or a heartfelt vlog. Next, we are going to look into optimizing your titles and descriptions. Your video title and description are the first things that viewers will see when they come across your video, so make sure that they are clear, concise, and attention-grabbing. Also, use keywords. Use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions, so that your videos will be more easily discoverable by people searching for those keywords. Another tool you need to use is sharing your content on different social media platforms, which brings us to our next point. Use social media. Share your videos on other social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to reach a wider audience. TikTok is also a great app to use for growth. Leave a like if you are enjoying the tips and tricks so far. Next, we need to focus on collaborating with other YouTubers. Working with other YouTubers can help expose your channel to new audiences and help you grow your subscriber base. Getting to know your audience is key to being a great YouTuber. Make sure to stay active and chat with your community as often as possible. Consistency is key. Posting regularly will help you maintain an active audience and make it easier for your viewers to find new content. That's it for today's video. We hope you found these tips useful. Remember that growing a YouTube channel takes time and patience, but with hard work and dedication, you can achieve your goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like